What was medieval heraldry, and why did knights use it? Imagine being in a crowded battlefield where everyone is covered head to toe in shiny armor. How could you tell friend from foe? That's where medieval heraldry comes into play. Heraldry was a system of symbols, colors, and designs painted on shields, banners, and clothing worn by knights and noble families. It started in the 12th century when knights wore full armor that hid their faces and bodies. This made it hard to recognize who was who during battles or tournaments. Heraldry gave knights a way to stand out and be identified easily. The designs on shields and banners often included animals like lions, eagles, or wolves. They also used crosses, geometric shapes, and patterns. Each symbol had a meaning. For example, a lion represented bravery, while a cross showed faith. These symbols told others about a knight's family, rank, and allegiance. Knights used heraldry mainly to identify themselves during fights and tournaments. Since their armor covered their faces, the colorful and unique designs on their shields helped allies and enemies recognize them. This was very important for coordinating attacks and avoiding friendly fire. It also helped knights show pride in their family and social status. Heraldry became more detailed over time as more knights and noble families adopted coats of arms. These coats of arms were unique to each family and could include many symbols and colors. Nobles, towns, and even groups like universities used heraldry to show their identity and loyalty. The use of heraldry was closely linked to the chivalric code. Knights were expected to act honorably, loyally, and with noble conduct. Carrying their family arms was a way to show their commitment to these ideals. It was more than just decoration. It was a symbol of their values and responsibilities. In the end, medieval heraldry was both a practical tool and a symbol of identity. It helped knights recognize each other in chaos and reinforced their social roles. It was a way to honor their family, their code of conduct, and their place in medieval society.